Guys, we're finishing up this quick trim. So what we're doing today, we're gonna trim. We're trimming these up, and then we're gonna put down some pine straw. And Monday, we're gonna come back out here and mow. Everything is dry. Hopefully it rains soon. And again, the reason we're not using a tarp is because we're gonna put down pine straw over this anyway. And I'm using the STIHL HL 90K. And Q is using the Echo. I prefer the Echo though. It's lighter and sharper than the STIHL. Just my personal preference. Yo, nobody can touch you with this either. Hey, that's confidence, man. That's what I love. I love that confidence. Some of you guys may think you boasting and bragging, but yeah, you gotta have confidence in your skills. Just pick up the big stuff. We're gonna take the string trimmer and kind of clean it up, and then we can put down the straw. All right, let me go to work.